Hi everyone, it's Craig with LazerModels. We're here today. We're going to go ahead and build the bunny wagon. This is a great one for spring, for Easter, and other holidays. Put eggs in them, candy, jelly beans, whatever you want. It's a real simple little build. So first thing you're going to do is lay out all the pieces as I've got here, and then get your bottle of glue. Make sure you have your roll of tissue paper if you need it, just in case extra glue gets spilled somewhere. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to glue the two pieces of the bunny together. So it doesn't take a whole lot of glue, just little bits here and there, because you're just holding it together. And kind of wiggle it a little bit. And then what you want to do is this piece here, just go ahead and slide it in the hands, like that for now. And the only reason you're doing that, you're not using any glue, you just want to make sure that it goes ahead and dries, for that piece can go ahead and be in there. So the next step is going to be to build the wagon, the little wagon itself. So you're going to need two of these, and make sure you have the sides out that you want. And then you're going to have two of these type of pieces. One's going to go in the front, the other one's going to go in the back, and then this piece will set on top, and then this piece will go in the bottom. So what I like to do is put a little bit of glue on the little corners. I'll do all four of them because it won't be long before we put the other piece in. Set that into its spot here. Do the same with the back piece. Like I said, it doesn't take a whole lot of glue, you just need a couple little dots. And now that the glue's already here, you take this other piece and you just set them in place like this. A little tissue. And then what you can do is flip it over. So the bottom side there's going to be two little notches right here. That's for this piece. It's going to go right here. So go ahead and put some glue in each little notch. Put a couple little dots on these pieces here. Being they're at an angle, they're not going to hold a whole lot, but they will grab a little bit. And then I always like to put the text down. That way, you know, if you want to see where we are or you lose our business card, you can always find our information right there. But that's the little basket. Now the next thing you're going to do is you can go ahead and wipe some glue off and stuff, if there's any on there. Next thing you want to do is glue the wheels on. Now the wheels, they have a square in the middle and a little tab right here. This little tab is going to go into the base like this. So when we put them on the wagon, we want to make sure that tab faces down. So a little bit of glue and put that wheel on. Again, a little bit of glue on each side. Put that wheel on, and then you've got the two tabs. Now that will set in that spot there. And then the bunny will go here. So we'll take this off for right now. Let's grab our bunny. A little glue in both of these spots here. Set the bunny in place. It's going to be a little wobbly because it's loose. Take that there. Flip the cart over. Yeah, lay the bunny down. A little glue on each wheel. A little glue in each holder. Okay, bring the bunny back up. Put these in those holes. And then you go ahead and you line up the little spots here. If you want to, you could put glue there, but there's no need to. Once it dries, it's going to be fine. It's going to hold perfectly well. So that's our little bunny wagon. Like I said, these are some of the simpler items we have. So enjoy yourselves. Make sure you put your glue away. And come back and check us out with other models we've got. And in the meantime, you can also go to our website, LazerModels.com.